Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holder? This is the latest price prediction, latest update, and latest technical analysis. Let's see, my brother. First of all, the latest update. But kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So as you can see, my brother, time the chain of last 1 hour, last 7 day, last 7 days, both change are my friends. You can see here this time tell us today will completely go in the moon. They are in the profit. The chain will be positive. So it's mean to they are going in the moon now. So holder, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type of videos. Let's see, my brother, to what's going on in this time and what's prediction, my brother. Kindly, before I predicate this coin, I have one request to please the giveaway of my friend pancake is coming soon, so you need to subscribe and participate here, my brother. So you can see at this time the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and if I predicate this coin in absolutely, my friend, of coming time there's more chances to they will moving upward. You know, especially in the May 28 and the May 29, every crypto market, all currencies as well as down, but after that you can see they completely go in the moon and take a very huge jump. It's mean to Pancakeswap is make you a millionaire because after a very long time, especially in the start of month, every cryptocurrency is down because short term investor they're starting selling. But you can see, my friend, in this month they completely go in the moon now, so it's mean to Pancakeswap will make you a millionaire and they will give you very good price now. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.